Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you through how to add frame rate on your videos. When you upload your video like this on CapCut, and upload a video like this, or when you insert your video like this, you see frame rate depending where you want to get it. So when you upload video like this, you will see a modify here. You see modify. So you click on the modify. So when you click on the modify, you have you have details and performance. See performance and details. Under the details, we have aspect ratio, resolution, frame rate. So the frame rate, will click on it depending the type of frame rate you want. So the one you want, you take. If you want this one, you click. If you want this one, you click. Depend on the one you want. So after you finish, you then click save. This another first way of adding frame rate. And another way is you click on export. When you have finished everything and you want to export, you see here you have resolution, bit rate, coded, and format. Here another way of frame rate is here. So you have the modify way or the export way. So here you click and you choose the frame rate you want. After you finish, and you export your video. This is how to add frame rate on your CapCut. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.